It's about 6 o'clock in the morning, and the only reason I'm getting up this early is because I'm doing a day trip to Ayutthaya, which is the ancient capital of the Thai kingdom. And yeah, bus is about to pick me up in 10 minutes, so I better get ready now. Tour to Ayutthaya.
Yeah.
So this was like 1 hour of driving around and picking up other people, and then about 2 hour drive until we're here. And yeah, this is the first temple. So the guide just told us that they want to restore the temples, but they did not actually restore these yet, but they did this one. So that gives a cool contrast to it. That was the first temple ruin. Now we get off to the next one.
We have like this like this temple about 3 kilometers from here.
We are now at the second temple ruin, and yeah, there's this nice Buddha statue. It's so hot in here. So stupid idea to wear a long sleeve. Now, that's better. And now off to the next one. So we're going to one of the bigger temple ruins now, and yeah, it's not allowed to wear these kinds of shirts here. Damn. This is by far the largest ruin we've been to yet. It's also a more famous one because you even have to pay entry fee to get in here. And yeah, I saw a sign at the entrance that you're not allowed to fly a drone in here, but I think I'm gonna do it anyway. Successful drone mission. I think nobody noticed. I flew a little bit higher than usual, so nobody saw the drone or heard it. And yeah, now I think we're gonna get dinner and look for some more temple ruins in the afternoon. That was some really good dinner. I almost ate too much, And now we're off to the next temple. So these things are called Stupas, and the guy just told us they actually keep the bones from the ancient kings in there. That's a nice grave. I'm usually not the type of guy for guided tours, but this one was definitely worth it, because all these ruins, they are kind of separated outside the town of Ayutthaya, and yeah, it's definitely worth it checking out with the minibus. And yeah, I think that's it for these temples, and now we're gonna see one last one, I think. Last spot for today, the Pa Palace. This is a summer residence of the king, but he's only here for a few weeks throughout the year. Now tourists can visit it, and it's also not allowed to make professional video in here. That's why I had to take off the microphone. I also can't fly the drone in here, and since I saw military everywhere here, I'm probably not gonna do it. I don't want to get shot with an AK-47. I think that's it for today. I hope you liked the drone shots. If so, hit that thumbs up button and click subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.